In this guide, I'm gonna show you guys how to get a Game Pass link on Roblox Mobile. Let's get started. You'll need to use the Roblox website, so launch your preferred browser. Now type in roblox.com. Head over to its official website, provide your credentials and log into your account. After you log in, you'll be directed to this kind of page. Now here you're gonna find the option of create, click on that. Now click on three bars given at the top left. Navigate to the option creations. Now you'll see the experiences and games associated with your account. Select the Roblox experience that contains the Game Pass you want to share. Now open the navigation menu again and look for monetization. Tap the drop down menu and select passes. You'll now see a list of all Game Passes created for that experience. Find the Game Pass you want to share and tap on three dot menu next to it. From the available options, select Copy Pass ID. Once the Pass ID has been copied, tap on your browser's address bar. Now type the following format: roblox.com/game-pass/, then paste the copied ID and press enter. The page will load your Game Pass directly, and the URL displayed in your browser is your Game Pass link. You can now copy that link and share it with anyone who wants direct access to your Roblox Game Pass. And that's it. This is how you can easily get a Game Pass link in Roblox mobile device. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.